Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Ram 1500 Sport. It comes equipped with a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and ventilated seats, as well as all-terrain tires, navigation, front and rear park assist, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this all-black interior with paneling coupled with storage at the bottom. Equipped with the Harmon Kardon sound system. It comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows. Here we're going to have these black side steps. It's power adjustable, heated and ventilated seats, super nice. Left side you'll have your vents and as well as your lighting and power adjustable pedals. And left side will be your odometer cluster control and voice recognition, with the right side being your cruise control and your gear limit. Now for the odometer, you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, as well as the fuel economy, as well as your audio here, messages, and your screen setup. So it's going to be push to start. You're going to have the dial shifter here with your 2- and 4-wheel drive and onto the infotainment. So you have this massive screen, built-in navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can access your climate with the heated steering wheel and heated ventilated seats. Again, the navigation, you got your vehicle information, settings in the rear view camera, and as well as, again, the downloadable apps. Here you're going to have your front and rear park assist as well as your tow mode, and the center console here with 4 USB ports, as well as this slides back for more storage down there, and an AC wall port, and center console storage here with your built-in measurements as well as trigonometry. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, sport badging across there, Harmon Kardon sound systems, and then here you can access your reading lamps as well as your power sliding rear window. So you get these blacked out 20-inch wheels on Robolo Ridge Track AT3 tires with the paint match rear caps, keyless entry door handles. You get the vents with the hood scoop there, 5.7 liter badging. Coming to the back, you're gonna have the corner step bumpers with the dual exhaust, again sport badging, the blackout ram. Easy lift tailgate. You got your bed tie downs with this brand bed liner here. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, again more paneling and storage next to speakers, power window, the ram bins, which lift up this mat here. You're gonna have extra storage down below. Seats fold up for more storage. Lots of extra leg room, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear cup holders, ventilation, as well as 4 USB ports in the back, AC wall port, cup holder and armrest right in the center. You get the speakers right behind you, the lamps up top, and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 Ram 1500 Sport, equipped with the 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine, as well as heated and ventilated seats, front and rear park assist, as well as navigation, all-terrain tires, bed liner, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.